Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome on this beautiful Saturday morning, which started with a big pump. All right, so the markets right now are very, very strong, and in this video we'll talk about Bitcoin. But the main story today, in my opinion, and coins are absolutely rallying. I mean, in the Signal group, we've made a huge amount of profits this morning, so that's amazing. And if you're interested in that, check out the links down in the description. I basically just sent my trades, so if you're interested in that, check it out. But this is the main story, all right? Bitcoin dominance is falling. I would not call this the alt season yet, because this is still an uptrend at the moment. We still need a conclusive break. But overall, what that also means for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is losing some momentum here, all right? So some Bitcoin is being sold off. As you can also see from the open interest right here, open interest dropped down a lot yesterday evening. Is dropping down a little bit more sustainably, but also a little bit less over the course of this morning. So what we're seeing is that money is shifting away from Bitcoin after hitting almost 100,000, but money is shifting away from Bitcoin into altcoins. But in this video, we'll still focus on Bitcoin. We'll still focus on what's possible in the weekend and into next week. So don't worry too much about that. I still think we're going up to 100,000, all right? I think we're going a lot higher than 100,000 as well. But at the moment, I must say that we have lost some of our momentum, all right? Open interest is down a bit. I am pretty sure, but that's also because we're entering the weekend, but I'm pretty sure that the volume is also down here. Volume is down 27%. So it seems like we have reached a local top for Bitcoin, all right? Hit that level around 100,000. If you take a look at the CME, so the CME futures, we actually already hit 100,000. But I would say the Coinbase price is most important. And even though yesterday, and this was absolutely ridiculous, but even though yesterday the Coinbase Bitcoin premium was ridiculously high, and it's still very high at the moment, on Coinbase we have been unable so far to actually hit that 100,000 level. And now, like I said, we've lost momentum, so it looks more likely here that we are going to be consolidating at the top. So yeah, that's what I would say is most likely, purely when we're talking about the order flow here, but also the technicals. Like, this is the first time in a while that we've actually, topped out a bit and started to consolidate. The last time was right here, obviously, but even Monday earlier this week, we also already had a lot of volatility and we were gaining momentum. And right now we're losing momentum, and losing momentum like this, like the last time this happened, I cannot even see on the charts. Yeah, right here on Tuesday maybe, so could still rally. But no, ultimately what I would say is most likely here, especially also taking into account what altcoins are doing, is that we'll consolidate. I do think we'll hold this level here at 97,500. It is possible with the funding rates that we have right now, which basically increases the risk of a spike down. Like, funding rates right now are the highest they've been in months, all right? So we can have a spike down, but then we have a lot of support at 96, a lot of support at 95. I think 95 is even too far. So maybe we'll do something like this, but ultimately I do think we'll recover quickly, consolidate, and then ultimately I still do think we're going for those highs, all right? So that's what I think is most likely. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for now. I will make quite a lot of videos on altcoins now, on the ones that were moving the most. And like I said, if you're interested in profitable signals and just in general, if you want to be updated on the markets, consider joining the Signal group, but that's up to you. I'll keep posting free content and free signals, for example, on my X profile as well. So check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye.